So I had to make a video about this. I just ordered the X4 or X-Force Power Driver 390 crossbow from Carbon Express. And I'm stuck at the dilemma. Looks like a nice bow. I done seen the reviews, for its stats and numbers. It was good for its price. But I am stuck at this goddamn cable slider. Now, mind you, it's my first time ever owning a crossbow. So, I'm thinking they will keep it KISS. Keep it simple. Keep it simple, stupid. But as the directions show, the directions suck. Everything else looks pretty simple. But this motherfucker is what you need to keep your boat operate. And that little picture is supposed to tell you, yeah, that's how it's supposed to go. These little pictures. Yeah, that's how the cable slider go. Not that one. But them two. What the hell? And so when I slide it in here, the bitch fits. But not with the motherfucking cables. So, I've heard, and I've seen the reviews, this is an awesome bow for its price. But I'm going to continue trying. Hopefully I get it. Because I really want to love this bow. I really do. It seems sturdy, compact. Nothing cheap material here. But only if the goddamn directions was better on the goddamn cable slider. That's all I have. That's all I have on this. For anyone who never owned a crossbow, never assembled a crossbow, they will be stuck at the same dilemma. And mind you, I'm not no dumb motherfucker. I'm pretty smart, but I'm left-handed, so. But keep it simple, stupid. KISS. Keep it goddamn simple. Put an illustration of you putting the slot in the damn cable thing, and how to assemble the cable slot. But they have none of that. They have this little piece of shit picture here. Oh yeah, this is what you do. Oh yeah, this is how it's gonna look. I'm like, what the hell? Goddamn engineers, I tell you. But I'm gonna figure this thing out. And it's nothing on YouTube or how to assemble that. So that's what pissed me off to make this goddamn video. I have better things to do with my time. Make a goddamn video of how to install a crossbow. Cable slider. It's Mo Walker, baby.